inducing any child under 16 to abandon the home of its residence guardian, which is ang offender is ang bata is iyahang i-abandon, palayas niya sa iyahang balay. RA 7016 mo ni siya ang balaod sa punishes abuse, exploitation, and discrimination of minors. Article 279, additional penalties for other offenses. Crime they can also be penalized for other related crimes they committed. For example aning article which is ako nang lungkab ko sa balay sa akong silingan sa ilang tindahan, tapos nakita na ko ang tag-iya, akong gipatay. So ako ang crime nga nabuhat is duha, robbery o murder, which is malayable ko ani nga crime nga article 279. Article 280, qualified trespass to dwelling. Article 280, qualified trespass to dwelling. Definition niya is any person enter another's dwelling against the will of the latter. For example scenario is ako ning sulod ko sa laing balay tapos against sa will sa tag-iya. So malayable ko ani nga crime nga pwede ko makasuhan ani nga article 280, qualified trespass to dwelling. Penalty is arresto mayor, fine is 200,000 pesos. Elements that the offender is a private person, which is ang offender is private person. Number 2, that he enters the dwelling of another, which is ang offender is sulod sa laing balay. Tapos ang iyang purpose is manguha og mga gamit. Number 3, that such entrance is against the latter, which is ang pag-enter sa offender is labag sa kalooban sa tag-iya sa balay. Example of trespass by means of violence. Number 1, pushing the door violently and maltreating the occupants of after entering, which is ang offender is sulod siya sa balay nga gamit siya og force, tapos gamitan niya og force ang pagsulod sa kabalay. Number 2, cutting of a ribbon or string with which the door lock of a closed room was fastened, which is ang offender is ang kandado sa portahan is iyang putol para makasulod siya sa balay. Number 3, wounding by means of a bully the owner of the house immediately after entrance, which is ang offender is iyang gisamaran ang tag-iya sa balay para makasulod siya. Examples of trespass by means of intimidation. Number 1, firing a revolver in the air by person attempting to force their way into a house, which is ang offender is gapabuto og pusil para gihadlok niya ang tag-iya sa balay para pasudlon siya. Number 2, the flourishing of a bulo against inmates of the house upon gaining an entrance, which is ang offender is gadalag bulo is ihadlok niya ang tag-iya sa balay para makasulod siya. Article 281. Other forms of trespass. Any person who shall enter the closed premises or the fenced estate of another while either or them are uninhabited, if the provision to enter be manifest and the trespasser has not secured the permission of the owner. For example scenario aning Article 281, for example is usa ko ka private person tapos musulod ko sa private property na naay ng kabutang nga no trespassing, pero ning sulod yun ko ako pwede ko makasuhan ani nga crime kaning Article 281. Other forms of trespass. So ang akong mga penalty, so ang penalty atong Article 281 is Aresto Minor. Fine is 40,000 pesos. Elements that the offender enters the closed premises, which is ang offender is isulod sa private places nga ay nakabutang nga no trespassing. Number 2, that the entrance is made while either of them is inhabited, which is ang pagsulod sa offender is number 2, that the entrance is made while either of them is uninhabited, which is ang offender is ang iyang pagsulod sa place is dili sakto. 3, that the trespasser has not secured the permission of the owner of the caretaker, which is ang offender is trespass siya, nasulod siya sa places nga walay proper permission sa tag-iya. Number 4, that the prohibition to enter be manifest, which is ang intent sa offender is magkuha og mga gamit sa sulod sa private place. Premises signifies distinct and definite locality. It may mean a room, shop, building, or definite area, but in either case locality speaks, which is ang premises is mao ni siya ang mga property nga for example is mga building, room, shop, or definite area.